Hi, this is me again. I found a mistake. See, this is the Y-axis cover. The part number for that is, well, the code number is 29, and you've got three 5.5mm bolts, 30. Okay, but then in issue 34, not only, I don't know if you can see that, but it's called that the Y-axis cover, that 30 when it should be 29, and those three screws, the 5.5 bolts, the code number they put is 31, it really should be 30. And again in issue 37, so that was in 34, and in issue 37 again, that is called the Y-axis cover 30 when it should be 29, and those three bolts, which should have been the 5.5 bolts, code number 30, they put 31, plus in these like this is issue 11, tells you to put the bolt there on the back side, if you like, there and there. No, sorry. Yes. There and there, and on the front side there. But really, so what it's told me to do was, because I've changed it now, was to put a bolt there and a bolt there and a bolt there, but that's wrong. Those two bolts are right, but I've had to move that bolt from there to there. Because when I've put this in, the reason why it matters is because when I put this bolt let me just do this. Then I put that bolt in there, I say, yeah. Hang on, I'll put this in the wrong way. Yeah, 'cause like this goes in like that, and then when I put this bolt up in there, see before that bolt that told me before to put a bolt in there, but that other bolt which I've now taken out and I've put correctly in there. So that bolt, which that bolt was there, which was there, would have now got in the way. But now I had to take it out, so that's a mistake in the magazine. They're telling me looks like it should be like put a bolt there and there, but it shouldn't put a bolt there. It should have been that side and that side. I hope you understand that. Thanks for watching. I'll put this all back together now, but you've already seen me in the last video, so thanks for watching and see you next week. Thanks, bye.